Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a very improv video. I just decided to do this video. I got a package. Here's Maxie, and it's beautiful outside right now. And I was just sitting here, and I wanted to open the package, but I wanted to share with you guys, opening it with me. I got it from Maria, the Succulent Living. I'll link her channel down below. Maria has a wide collection of plants. She's even dove into house plants, but she has all kinds of cacti, euphorbias, echeverias, agavoides, all kinds that she has in her own home. She also puts them outside when the weather allows it, but a lot of them she also grows under grow lights. It's just a very good channel. And also she helps a lot in conservatory. It's called like a dome, and there they have like all kinds of plants as well. So you know, you get to see her helping there. My wind chime is really going. Let me get it down. Yeah, I had to bring it down because that is a very big wind chime, and there is some really nice breeze, and it's not going to stop. So I don't like competing with it because I'm really next to it. If I was away from it, then it would be fine. But yeah, so let's go ahead and see what she has here. Oh, you know, I wish I had 3 hands. It would help. Because I'm trying not to, I don't want to hurt this plant. I can see that the roots are here. Oh, wow. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty this is. I don't know the name of it. I'll have to look at our messages. So pretty. So beautiful. I love it. There's a pot that I recently picked up at the Goodwill. It would go lovely with it, but it is too big for it. But it would look really nice. Don't touch it, Maxie. It is so cool to have friends and swap plants out. It's pretty cool. When the time allows it, you know, because the weather and all that stuff. Let's see here. Which way should I grab this? I'm trying to take a peek before I pull it out. Where are the roots? Oh yeah, this is, I think, also a very cool euphorbia. So pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. You know why I love it? I like it because it looks like a little mini cactus. That's what it looks like. Like you can just see this with maybe some little gnomes around it, and it looks like a little mini cactus. It is very pretty. I like the spines. They look black, and then it had little white in there at the bottom, you know, like where the spines are coming out of, and then the color is just so pretty. Thank you, Maria. You're so kind. So pretty. I'm hoping to be able to share plants with her. No, she didn't. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, that is so special, Maria. Thank you. This is so cute. His little eye is missing, but not a big deal. Still very precious. It's from Peru. I like it so much. Oh, that would look cute with that. Oh, yeah. Maxie, don't, hold on, girl. Wait, I tickled her. I guess the little paper tickled her. And this. Wow. Look at that. Oh, Maria, you made me feel special. Thank you so much. That is so nice. This is really pretty. I'm gonna use this in my arrangements, and I think it's gonna look pretty when I pot them up. Thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. I'm gonna, guys, please check her out. I know you'll really like her channel. She has learned a lot throughout the years about plants. And yeah, I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Thank you, Maria. You guys have a great day. Bye.